Welcome to the world of fresh and healthy juices made possible by the best cold-pressed juicer on the market. This isn't just any juicer, it's a powerhouse of technology and efficiency. With its robust 300-watt motor, it powers through fruits and vegetables with ease, ensuring maximum juice extraction with minimal waste. But that's not all. One of its standout features is the 3.5-inch large feed chute. This means less prep time for you, as it can accommodate larger pieces of produce, even whole fruits. And let's not forget the masticating technology. Unlike traditional juicers, this cold-pressed juicer slowly crushes and squeezes your produce, preserving more nutrients and enzymes. It's like getting a nutrient-packed punch with every glass of juice. Now that you're familiar with the juicer, it's time to see it in action. Experience the excitement of unboxing this amazing cold-pressed juicer. As we open the box, we're greeted by a sleek machine crafted with precision. A masticating juicer powered by a 300-watt motor. And look at this, a 3.5-inch feed chute, the gateway to your healthy lifestyle. Also in the box we find a cleaning brush, a small yet significant tool to keep our juicer in top condition. But the real magic lies in the easy assembly process. The parts fit together like pieces in a jigsaw puzzle, simple and intuitive. First we attach the feed chute to the juicer base, then comes the juicing screw, followed by the juicing screen. The end cap is next, and finally we pop on the juice and pulp containers. All set within minutes without breaking a sweat. With everything set up, we're ready to start juicing. The power of fresh, healthy juice is just a button away. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of using this amazing cold-pressed juicer. The first step, of course, is choosing your fruits or vegetables. Whether it's a crisp apple, a juicy orange, a bundle of leafy greens, or a combination of your favorites, this juicer can handle it all. Once you've selected your produce, it's time to prepare them. Depending on the size, you may need to cut your fruits or veggies into smaller pieces. With the juicer's large 3.5-inch feed chute, you can easily fit larger pieces, making your prep time shorter. Now it's time to feed your produce into the chute. Here's where the magic happens. Simply place your fruits or vegetables into the chute, then press down gently using the provided pusher. You'll start to see the juice flow out almost immediately. That's the power of the 300-watt motor working its magic. But what about the pulp, you ask? Well, this juicer has a separate outlet for pulp, so you don't have to worry about any unwanted bits in your juice. Plus, the pulp is dry, a clear indication of the juicer's efficiency in extracting the maximum amount of juice. Now let's talk about the speed. This is a slow juicer, and that's a good thing. Slow juicing ensures all the nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes in your produce are retained, giving you the healthiest possible juice. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've got yourself a glass of fresh, nutritious juice. No complex operations, no confusing settings. The simplicity and efficiency of this juicer make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned juicers alike. Remember, fresh juice isn't just about taste, it's about harnessing the power of nature for your health. So whether you're on a detox, trying to boost your vitamin intake, or just love the taste of fresh juice, this cold-pressed juicer is your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. Voila, fresh, healthy juice at your fingertips. Keeping your kitchen appliances in top-notch condition is as important as the food you put into them. It's no different with our cold-pressed juicer. Let's take a look at how to clean and maintain it after we've enjoyed our delicious fresh juice. Start by switching off the appliance and unplugging it. Safety first, always. Next, disassemble the juicer. Don't worry, it's quite simple. And the user manual provides clear instructions. Once you've separated the components, rinse them under warm running water. For the more stubborn pulp residues, use the cleaning brush that comes with the juicer. It's designed to reach those hard-to-get areas, ensuring a thorough clean. The most exciting part? This juicer's components are dishwasher safe, making your post-juicing cleanup that much easier. Once cleaned, let the parts air dry before reassembling. Regular cleaning not only ensures the longevity of your juicer, but it also guarantees that every glass of juice you make is as fresh and healthy as possible. And there you have it, folks. A clean juicer, ready for your next juicing adventure. Isn't it amazing how simple it is to have fresh, healthy juice at home? This masticating juicer machine with its 300-watt, 3.5-inch slow cold press mechanism makes it not just possible, but incredibly easy. Its large feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time and retaining more nutrients. It's not just a juicer, it's a game changer. You've seen how effortlessly it extracts juice, leaving behind dry pulp. And the cleaning? A breeze with the included brush. This product stands out in the sea of juicers out there. It's a blend of power, convenience, and health benefits, all packed into a sleek, user-friendly design. If you're as excited about this product as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more incredible product reviews. Stay healthy, everyone.